Hey kids, welcome back to the video session. In this video, we are going to learn social science of grade 2. I hope the revision video was useful and you are very clear with the chapter 1 to 6, isn't it? Yes. In this video, we are going to learn chapter 7. The topic name is means of transportation. Means of transportation. Before start the lesson, let's see some words to remember while you're learning this lesson. The first one, travel. Second, transport. Third, vehicle. Fourth, scooter. Fifth, train. Sixth, truck. Seventh, aeroplane. Eighth, helicopter. Ninth, faster. 10th, comfortable. 11th, touch. 12th, world. So these are the words you are going to learn the spelling of these words. Okay. Yes. Next, let's see. Let's start the lesson. So our lesson is deals with transport, isn't it? Yes, it is deals with transportation. See, let me tell you the meaning of transportation. It is a general word for all the methods people use to move themselves and their goods from one place to another. So if we want to move one place to another, we use the transports, isn't it? Yes. Next, let's see travel. What is travel? Which means to go from one place to another. We travel means to go from one place to another, and we travel every day to different places. So in our day to day life we are traveling to the different places, like our parents will be moving to their office or the workstation, and you children are traveling to your school every day, isn't it? Yes. So next, let's see travel near and far. Travel near and far. Some places are near, isn't it? Yes, we can walk to such places. We can walk to such places, and we often walk on foot to go get to places in our neighborhood. For example, if you want to go to shop to buy some only few 2 or 3 things, you'll be going to the nearer shop, isn't it? Yes. To such places you can go by your walk, isn't it? Yes. But we cannot go everywhere on foot. Yes or no? Yes. It is not possible to go everywhere on foot. Some places are far. Some places are far. For example, if you want to go from Coimbatore to Madras, or from Coimbatore to here, is it possible to go by your foot? No, it is not possible. So in such case we need some transport. In such case we need some vehicle or transport, isn't it? Yes. We use different vehicles to travel long distance in a short time. So to reach the place in short time, we are using different vehicles, and some vehicles are slow and some are fast and some are very fast. So these kind of vehicles only we are going to learn in the next. Let's see slow vehicles. We use slow vehicles when we are traveling to nearby places. For example, if you want to go within 5 kilometer, you'll be using your slow vehicles. Like we see slow vehicles like bullock carts, tongs. These things are all in the villages, and cycle rickshaw and auto rickshaws or can be seen in towns and cities. Yes or no? Yes. Next, let's see fast vehicles. Next, let's see fast vehicles. We use fast vehicles when we are traveling to places that are far. Okay, so to reach the place quick, we are using different fast vehicles. The vehicles like train, scooter, truck, car, and ship are fast vehicle. These all are fast vehicle, and helicopter and aeroplane or very fast vehicles. Okay? Yes. Next, let's see different means of transport. The vehicles we use to travel are known as means of transport, isn't it? Yes, the vehicle we use to travel are known as means of transport, and under this means of transport, there are three modes such as land transport, air transport, and water transport. Let's see one by one. First, land transport. First one is land transport. The vehicles like buses, car, and scooters run on land. Yes or no? Yes, they'll be running on the land, and train runs on tracks which is built on the land. It will move on the track which is built on the land. Yes or no? Have you ever seen train? Have you traveled in train? Yes. Next, let's see air transport. Aeroplane and helicopter move in the air. They moves in the air, and these are the means of air transport. These are the means of air transport, and it is the fastest means of transport. It is fastest means of transport. Next, let's see water transport. Ships and boats run on water. Ships and boats run on water, and these are the means of water transport. These are the means of water transport. Do you like to travel in a boat? Do you like to travel in boat? Yes, whenever you get time or whenever you get chance, just travel in one of these vehicles. So traveling in car or the scooter or the two wheeler will be the common thing, isn't it? Yes, sometimes we have to it will happen to travel on buses or some other vehicles, but in the boat and all, occasionally we will be using, isn't it? Yes, whenever you get chance, just go to a boat ride. Okay? Yes. Next, let's see the importance of means of transport. The importance of means of transport. The different means of transport have become our basic need. Yes or no? Yes, it became our basic need, like um, water, air, shelter, isn't it? Yes, because in our day to day life we are moving to so many places, and in your age you will be traveling less, and once you get grown, you will be traveling to many places. So let's see what is the importance of this. The transportation make traveling easy and comfortable. They'll make the traveling easy and comfortable, and they help us stay in touch with people. So if you want to visit your cousin's house or your relative's house, you will be using the transport. Yes or no? Yes. So it is helping us to stay in touch with our relatives or the people you know, and they help us travel to different places around the world. For example, you may plan a trip or you may plan a tour to some far places, so it is helping us to visit all the places around the world. Is it clear, children? Yes. Fine, children, let's recapitulate the lesson quickly. First, we learnt about travel. So under travel, we learnt about near and far. So what is near and far? Some places are near and some places are far. To move to the nearer places, we uses the slow vehicle. Mainly we uses the slow vehicles, and to move to the farther places, we uses the fast vehicles. Okay. Yes. Next, let's see the means of transport. So, what is means of transport? Do you remember? The vehicle we use to travel are known as means of transport. So, under this means of transport, we learned land transport. What are the land transport? Buses, cars, truck, train. These are the land transport. And the second one Air transport. So what are the vehicle comes under air transport? That is aeroplane, helicopter, jet, hot air balloon, etc. Okay. Next, the third one, water transport. So what is water transport? The vehicle which moves on water. Yes. So what are the vehicle comes under water transport? They are boat, ship, and yacht. Okay. Yes. So, and also we learned about the importance of means of transport. So what are the importance? It is making the traveling more comfortable. The transportation is making the traveling more easy and comfortable, and it helps us stay in touch with our relatives, and it help us to travel throughout the world. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's move on to the book back exercise. The first one, give two names for each of the following. So for the slow vehicle, you are going to write two examples. Okay. So what are the slow vehicles we learnt? They are bullock cart and rickshaw. The second one, fast vehicles. They are truck and train. Third one, very fast vehicles. They are aeroplane and helicopter. Fourth one, air transport. What are the air transport? They are jet and gliders. Okay. Fifth one, land transport. They are car and bus. So quickly take your textbook and do the book back exercise. Understand? Yes. Next, let's move on to the B part. In this, you are going to write Y for S and N for no. Okay. See the first one. We can walk on foot to reach anywhere in the world. Is it possible to go by walk to the any places in the world? No. You have to write N inside the box. Second one, a ship moves in the air. A ship moves in the air, isn't it? No, you have to write no. The ship moves in the water. It moves on the water. Third one, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Yes or no? Yes, it is the fastest means of transport. Fourth one, helicopters can stay in one place in the air. Yes, the answer is yes. You have to write Y. See the last one. A boat sails on water. Yes or no? Yes, a boat sails on water. The answer, you have to write Y inside the box. Finished? Yes. Next, let's move on to the C. That is, look at the picture clues and complete the crossword. By seeing the picture, you are going to complete this crossword. The first one, can you guess what is the first word? Yes, that is aeroplane. The answer is aeroplane. Yes. Did you guess the second word? That is truck. Yes. Have you find the third one? That is ship. And the fourth one is train. And the fifth one, bicycle. And the last sixth one, car. Have you done it? Let me repeat it again. The first one, aeroplane. The second one, truck. Third one, ship. Fourth one, train. Fifth one, bicycle. And the last sixth one, car. Okay, and let me give you a homework. So you are going to draw a vehicle which you like the most. Okay, it's you are going to draw the vehicle of your wish, and you are going to color it nicely. Okay, this is what your homework. Okay, children, we completed the lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.